Yeah, go down a bit more.
I can't reach anymore.
Okay. I'm Matt, I'm the lead carpenter, and right now we've set up our foot jacks and we'll be moving up. We'll be strapping the exterior gable and we'll be removing the eaves so we can get the proper installation on our roof to give us our proper R60. Exposing the attic. Okay. What are you going to pick that up or something? Yeah, I do!
Demo's all done here, and we've decided on a wall assembly for the project. We went through a couple options, going from spray foam, rigid insulation, including wood fiber and rigid foam, and in the end we've decided to go with spray foam, mainly due to cost. It's the one that came out ahead. So we're going to be strapping the house out 6 inches with just nominal 2x4s, at which point the cavities are all going to be filled with foam, and then we'll be wrapping it in a weather-resistant barrier, and finally wood siding. We chose the wood in the end, one due to cost and one because it's a lot easier for us to work with. Unfortunately, that was decided before the lumber prices went up in this country. So because of that, we are seeing a little bit of a hit against the budget because of how much more the lumber is costing us than we were planning on. We're also going to be doing a lot of roof work on the roof. We've decided to insulate the top of the roof instead of inside of the attic on this project. So it's going to be great to be up there and be able to insulate. We're going with 6 inches of rigid foam on the existing roof deck, and then we'll be strapping it with double purlins to get airflow, and then finally steel roofing on top of that. If you want to stay up to date on our projects, make sure you subscribe, and thanks for watching.